These are zucchini chips. I'm doing them in the air fryer. It's very easy to do. Zucchini chips. It's been a great year for zucchinis. We're pulling about a dozen of these off of each global bucket. A global bucket is a soilless mixture, and you water from the top, and then there's a drain tube at the bottom. I'm going to film something on it, but it takes me a year to do it because I'm doing it from start to finish. But there's cherry tomatoes. Last year there were about 600 cherry tomatoes from one plant. The zucchinis, that's going to be for zucchini boats. I like my chips about this size here, and I'm going to use a mandolin today, and that's the flower end right there. So first one just comes off, and we'll throw that out. And you can make your chips with a knife or a mandolin. I'm going to use a mandolin today, and I like to keep the stem on because I don't want to get my fingers too close to it. So it just goes really fast. We've been having a lot of zucchini chips in the last couple of weeks. Okay, that's good. Now, what I like to do is this can be done in the air fryer, or it can be done in the oven on a cookie sheet with some parchment paper. But I like to use the air fryer. It's nice and easy. And instead of arranging them in the air fryer and putting oil on and the seasonings and stuff, what I like to do is put them into a bowl like this. I'm using an olive oil today, but you can use an avocado oil if you like. The recipe for this is below in the comments. Just try and get both sides. And I've got some garlic salt. And Parmesan cheese. I'm using the stuff from the shaker bottle. That works fine. People that don't like zucchini, they love these chips. We just want to toss them around, get them nicely coated. And I'm just going to place them in the air fryer basket. Try and separate them out as the best you can. I've been doing some giant chips from zucchinis that are this big. Yeah, that really should have been done in 2 batches, but that's fine. In we go. And I like the temperature of 320 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. And after about 5 minutes, I'm just going to toss them around a little bit. There we go. Okay, that took about 25 minutes. I had to add on a little bit of time because I kind of overfilled it. But you can see how much it reduced. These were very watery and moist because I just picked that cucumber this morning. But I just shake it around, and I use some little ice tongs to move it. Whether you do it in the air fryer or you do it in the oven on a piece of parchment paper, these little zucchini chips are a great little healthy snack. They won't last long. There you go. Little zucchini chips in the air fryer. You can go in the oven if you like. Thanks for watching.